Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the right ways to fix iPhone display brightness keeps dimming problem. If your iPhone display brightness keeps dimming automatically, it can be rather frustrating, especially when you are trying to watch videos, browse, or work outdoors. In most cases, this issue is caused by built-in features designed to protect your eyes, battery, or device temperature. Fortunately, there are some effective solutions to fix the iPhone brightness keeps dimming problem. That said, let's get started. So first off, I would recommend you to disable the auto brightness feature on your iPhone. It's worth pointing out that auto brightness automatically adjusts your screen brightness based on surrounding light conditions. While helpful, it can sometimes make the screen dim unexpectedly. So head over to the Settings app on your iPhone and choose Accessibility. After that, select Display and Text Size option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and disable the toggle for auto brightness. After disabling it, manually adjust brightness from the control center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen or swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Then I will recommend you to disable True Tone and Night Shift features. Note that True Tone adjusts your screen colors based on ambient lighting, and Night Shift reduces blue light at certain times. Keep in mind that they can make your display appear dim or warmer. So head over to the Settings app on your device and choose Display and Brightness. And then you have to disable the toggle for True Tone. In the same menu, tap on Night Shift and toggle it off or adjust the schedule depending on your needs. This often restores your display to normal brightness levels. Next up, I will recommend you to disable the attention aware features on your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone with Face ID, the attention aware feature can dim the screen if it thinks you are not looking at it. So go to the Settings app on your device and choose Face ID and passcode. After that, enter your passcode. And then you have to disable the toggle for attention aware features. This prevents the screen from dimming when your face isn't detected properly. After that, I would also recommend you to disable the low power mode on your iPhone. Note that low power mode reduces background activity and can also lower screen brightness to conserve the battery life. So dive into the Settings app on your iPhone and choose battery. And then you have to disable the toggle for low power mode. You can also check if the battery icon in the status bar is yellow, which indicates low power mode is active or not. And finally, I would recommend you to update the software on your iPhone. Note that software bugs can sometimes cause brightness issues. Updating to the latest iOS version can fix system glitches and also enhance the overall performance of your device. So dive into the Settings app on your iPhone and choose General. Then you have to select the software update option. And if an update is available, go ahead to download and install it, and that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix iPhone display brightness keeps dimming problem. Hopefully these tips have managed to get a better of the problem, and now the display of your iPhone has begun to work properly like a charm. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.